In this video we are going to see the app for Shopping Mart, and this is the project workflow of that app. So Shopping Mart is the app which can use by seller and buyer. So the seller can register and log in into an account. After that, add their product and their financial summary and view products detail, edit or remove product. After that, the buyer can purchase the product through their app. After that, they can view their chart. So this is a Shopping Mart app. Here we want to log in. First the seller want to register the account and log in into that account. So I'm going to register a new user. So as a seller giving a username and password and login. After that, the seller can view their financial summary. So they can view their financial summary and they can add the products. So I'm going to add the product instead of seller. I'm adding the product as garments and product type clothes. After that, the quantity, selling price, enter invoice price, and after the product description, and I am adding the product. So my new product is added and I can view the financial summary. Now the registration of buyer. So the buyer want to register into that account. So the buyer can purchase here. So the buyer can purchase the product. Now so I'm adding pillow, garments, egg, cookies. So view cart. In this view cart, they can check the chart. Pillows, garments, egg, and they can remove or add the item by seeing the price value. So I'm going to give pay now. So in this pay now concept, the payment credits, it is asking about the payment credits. Just I'm giving that a new card. So I'm adding the new card. Now it's asking the card name. So I'm giving create. After that, card number. So I'm giving the card number and purchase. So this is my process. The pillow, garments, eggs and cookies and their values and total price is shown. After that, I can purchase. So the item is purchased. Thank you. This is the process. Here we can log out an account info. So in this account info, they can view the personal informations of the buyer. So the buyer's username, password and bill amount, and we can edit the username or password. I'm editing as SS. So confirm password. Save. So after this process, the seller process. The seller can view the product details and edit or remove the products. So financial summary, add product, ships product type, and quantity and selling price, giving invoice price. After that, product description. So adding the product. Now in this they can log out and account information. Here the process can be written or the process can be edited. So now after adding the product, now I am adding another product. So they can view the product details. Product type eats, product type is jelly and it can be eats, and cost, price and quantity. So we can edit the product and we can remove a product from the list. So the seller can add the product and remove the product. So my product is added and we can view the process. So through this app, the buyer and seller can add the product, view the product and edit the product. So the buyer can view the purchase detail. After that, the buyer can view the chart. After that, the buyer can pay to that process, and the seller can check the financial summary of the product purchased item. The main use of this app was buyer and seller can gain the information through this app without any invoice problems. After that, they can add the products and they can view the product details from this app, and the buyer can directly purchase the product through this app.